So ERP implementations have this reputation for being kind of miserable. Months of consultants, confusing terminology, projects that just drag on and on. We built the Stellar One portal because we think that deploying an ERP platform should feel more like installing an app. We believe that you shouldn't have to talk to a salesperson just to see a demo or find out how much something costs. So you won't. Your price is right there, no back and forth, no waiting for a custom quote, no surprises later on. You see what it costs up front, and you can move forward on your own terms. You'll connect to the systems that you're already using, QuickBooks, Shopify, whatever's running your business today. And then you migrate everything like your customers, vendors, products, and transaction history with the click of a button. Your data refreshes every day, so you're not scrambling to hit some kind of hard cutover date. You go live when you're ready. Setting up your system happens through simple questions about how your business actually works, not ERP speak. Just things like, how do you handle returns? Do you have multiple warehouses? You answer in plain language, and the portal sets everything up for you in Acumatica. And look, just because it's self-service doesn't mean that you're on your own. We have real people here. So if you get stuck or just want a second opinion, you can hop on a call one-on-one or join a group session. We've got you. That's the Stellar One portal. Clear pricing, easy data migration, setup that just makes sense, learning on your schedule, and real humans when you need them. We think ERP can actually be kind of simple.